So what are the most common requests or questions you're getting right now about digital assets and stablecoins from your clients?
Now, it's a great question. And first of all, I couldn't agree more with you about, you can't go anywhere in the payments world right now without this being a key topic of conversation in terms of stable coins. Um, Interestingly, though, for a lot of our clients, the question they're asking is, why would I use them? What problems do they solve? And there's a pretty uneven distribution of knowledge right now for a lot of the clients. Potentially some of the more, e-commerce driven clients or tech driven clients having a better view, maybe some of the traditional manufacturing clients having less of a view. Um, but we do run a survey every year where we talk to our clients about what are the key topics on their mind. And, for the last couple of years, topics like or issues like speed, cost efficiency, and transparency have really been at the top of the list. And this is much of what stablecoins are purported to address. And I guess we look at it, we're a network of networks, and digital assets is an opportunity for this to be another tool that's solving those problems for our clients around speed, around cost efficiency, around transparency.
Scott and I have been fairly big proponents of this view that use cases are a phenomenal way to kind of crystallize the mind when you're thinking about what payments are used for or what sort of specific payment types are used for. And we've been on a journey for the last kind of 2 years. I think trying to think about product development and product deployment from far more of a use case oriented perspective, just because our take is you tend to build more of what your customers want, and you tend to build them in a more integrated fashion. Where if you think about the two sort of feet we have with Scott in banking as a service and myself in e-commerce, that's really what a lot of those clients are after, right? They're talking about bringing financial services and embedding them into a core activity that they do. So that in our mind, at least, has always been the leading edge for us. So when we think about customers and we think about the way customers would tend to engage with us, we like to lead with use cases.